पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड अगर हम देखते हैं तो आफ्टर कोरोना, बिटवीन कोरोना पूरा लैप्स हुआ हमारा स्पोर्ट्स।
For Kho-Kho particularly, it was sad for us. We were scheduled to launch the league, which we had been very, very keenly looking forward to.
I think we are coming out of that pandemic. It's been a tough way to make this camp, but I'm very happy with the way it has turned out.
This year looks very bright. So we've just been permitted to host a camp of all our national players at 2 locations for training them so that we can prepare ourselves for the forthcoming events. The spirit of Kho-Kho has prevailed.
फुल प्रोटेक्शन के साथ हमारा ये कैंप चालू होगा और फर्स्ट टाइम खो-खो इस आयाम पे जा रही है जब नेशनल इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स को हम लेके प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं।
Taking care of sanitization, taking care of entry, taking care of your pre-COVID test, taking care of adequate healthcare facilities, creating some quarantine rooms if required, working on the entry and exit of the campus.
We have 50 students now at the SGT campus in Gurgaon, and again they'll undergo the most modern scientific training which is required to make champions out of them.
अभी आप देखेंगे इस कैंप में जिस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है ये बिल्कुल ओलंपिक स्टैंडर्ड की तैयारी है। इसमें कोई भी आप मेजरमेंट देखेंगे, एकोमोडेशन का देखेंगे, आप फूडिंग का देखेंगे, लॉजिंग का देखेंगे, तो एक सबसे बेटर आपका कैंप होगा ये।
We've had such fantastic response from the Government of India. The Minister Kiran Rijiju, I think he's the brightest of all people I have seen who have administered sports in this country. The kind of encouragement we have received from Government of India is phenomenal.
We are aligning ourselves towards the all requirements of sports science, which is like strength and conditioning, which is biomedical analysis, which is also their biomechanical analysis. We have the plans to work on their sports nutritional needs. We also will be working on their sports psychology needs. Lot of analytics on data will be done. Lot of analytics on video will be done for their movement, for their sprint, for their jump.
Sports science in sports now has changed the game. So it's very important for us to collaborate with this camp to assess players.
We as KKFI have taken the lead. This camp which is being organized is on the basis of the most modern technology being used to analyze these players and to prepare these players. I'm very proud to say that we are setting benchmarks for others to follow. We are saying this is how the athletes have to be trained.
What's going to happen is with the collaboration is that we're going to get good players. So we will really excel in making them champions.
Amit Burman ji taking over the responsibility of organizing a world-class league. You know, the ultimate Kho-Kho league is going to be a world-class league. The kind of technology which are being experimented with would be displayed in that league. No other league has had that kind of a technological usage.
अभी जो कमर्शियल इसको हम कर रहे हैं कमर्शियल अंदाज से, ये गेम बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर होगा, फ्यूचर भी दिखेगा आपको, आपकी बच्चों की नौकरी भी दिखेगी, तो मेरे ख्याल बेटर फ्यूचर है आपका।
खो खो की भी लीग हो रही है, ये बहुत ही शुभ समाचार है। खो खो चपलता का एक अद्भुत खेल है। जिस तरह से शारीरिक रूप से चपलता और सावधानी दोनों लगता है, इंस्टेंट रिस्पांस, ये इसकी विशेषता है। खेलो इंडिया, यही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का संदेश है और वही आप कर रहे हो। आप सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा गेम, इंडिया का गेम आगे बढ़े और ओलंपिक स्टैंडर्ड में आए और सारी फेडरेशंस अच्छा काम करें। इसी उम्मीद के साथ मेरी कोशिश रहेगी जितने प्लेयर्स इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं वो हमें अच्छा रिजल्ट दें।
I'm very upbeat about it. I think it's a time for Kho-Kho to be on the world map.
It's time to say, let's rise, let's go, because there's where the future lies.
Let's rise, let's go.
Let's rise, let's go.